Okay, folks, the journey starts now. It's Friday. What's the date? May 8th. Starting the journey from Ottawa all the way to Kerala. And that in the background, if you can see it, that's where I'm starting from. So just clearing out the apartments and yeah, on the way to the airport. So I will update afterwards.
Soon turn off the fasten sign and we encourage you to wear seatbelt at all times. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, vaping, and use of e-cigarettes. It is also not permitted to use at a turnpike.
Appetizer, chicken brochette, bread and butter, real cutlery. Appetizer, chicken brochette, bread and butter, real cutlery. Main course, roast chicken. I believe those are potatoes with asparagus, or no, broccoli, and some lentils. Roast chicken with the tomato sauce on top. We'll see how it tastes. By the way, the chicken brochette was really good. The appetizer. And the dessert is ras malai. I don't particularly like it, but that was the better choice, I believe. It's lie flat, so good for sleeping. Had the food. The next best thing, sleeping. Okay, this is much better. The flight attendant came by and saw me just lying down in that. He brought a what you call a mattress cover and nice blanket and a pillow. He put it there. Beautiful. Okay, we have the breakfast. Omelette and sausage. My first preference was the spinach ricotta lasagna, but they didn't have it, so this was my second choice. It's supposed to be a croissant. It is a croissant, but flat. Now what that is? It's yogurt, salt and pepper. Arrived. Also have masala chai, but obviously they don't know about me. It's only about quarter cup for 1/3 cup. don't think the masala is too much. I can smell it, but I'll taste it and see. Snack service with the tea. Chicken tandoori sandwich and chai. Masala chai. Sugar. It's always less that they give. So I had to get extra sugars. Last time I asked for 2. This time I asked for 2. She gave me 4. Okay, the dinner on way to Kerala. Lentil and white rice. Panang fish curry. Rice and veggies. And dessert. Supposed to be some bread.